Here's how to clean the filter on your Midea U-Shaped window air conditioner. Now we've had this installed in this room for about 3 months, and we just finished a project where we had drywall dust, where we got new carpet. So this thing has been a little bit ooky, and I'm telling you, this is so easy to maintain. Let me just show you. So you're gonna pop out the filter just like that. So this is a little flexible filter, very easy to clean. If you really wanna make sure you get all of that fine dust out, you can also rinse it. So let's go ahead and rinse it off. That's gonna do it. There we go. We've cleaned her off. Let's go ahead and set it out in the sun. Out you go. You set. So we're gonna go ahead and just get in here with some 409 on a paper towel. We're gonna wipe the bottom of this. And you gotta be careful when you're doing this because those little fins will absolutely slice up your knuckles. So be sure that your fingers are behind the paper towel. All right, so now it's looking cleaner. I got the little bugs out. Just like that, 5 minutes in the bright sun and 90-degree heat. And she's clean and dry. Look at that, it looks so much better. So you'll bring this back. We're just gonna put this back in. You see those little tabs on the side, those little slots you slide those into? We're gonna put that right back in place. Let's put the cover back on. You can also rinse and wash this if it needs to. We'll just pop that back in. See how much cleaner that is than before? Pop that closed. And there you go. That's the quick, easy way for the interior maintenance. Now, if you're not familiar or if you're just getting here, this is the Midea U-Shaped window air conditioner. I have the 12,000 BTU model, and this one's gonna cool up to 550 square feet. They are very energy efficient. They have a U-shaped design where the window actually closes down into it. So that way you keep the hot, noisy part on the outside and the cool, crisp air on the inside. These are Wi-Fi connected. They have a remote control. They are a fan favorite, and we love ours. Super easy to maintain, super easy to use. People love these. If you want to grab one, I'm gonna put the link right down here in the video so you can.